In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create emails with the ActiveCampaign email designer. If you're new to ActiveCampaign or just looking to improve your email marketing game, this guide is designed to walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the ActiveCampaign dashboard. Typically, you can do this by logging into your ActiveCampaign account using your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main overview page of the dashboard. This is where all of your ActiveCampaign activities can be accessed, from creating campaigns to managing contacts. Next, you'll need to locate and click on the email option. This can usually be found on your dashboard's main menu or toolbar. This step is crucial as it opens up the specific functionalities related to email marketing within ActiveCampaign, leading you on the right path to start designing your email. From there, you'll see a section labeled Campaign Templates. Go ahead and click on that. Campaign templates are really useful as they offer pre-designed layouts that you can customize to fit your needs, saving you time and effort in creating emails from scratch. Once you're in the Campaign Templates section, look for an option that says Create Your First Template and click on it. If you've already created other templates, this might instead display as simply creating a new template. This step is where your creativity starts to take form as you choose what your email will fundamentally look like. You'll be presented with a couple of options for creating your template, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on the email designer. The email designer offers a drag and drop interface that simplifies the process of building an email, making it accessible even if you have limited design experience. After you've selected the email designer, you should see a button to continue. Click it to proceed. Continuing brings you into the actual design space where you'll start working with your template. In the design space, search for and click on Basic Templates. This section provides a selection of foundational templates that are great starting points for further customization. Choose one that aligns closely with your vision for the email. After selecting a basic template, make sure to click on the Select button. This action confirms your choice and allows you to move forward in customizing the template to suit your brand's aesthetic and messaging. Now it's time to get creative. Click on the template you just selected and start changing it to your preferred design. This might involve adjusting colors, fonts, images, and text to ensure it represents your brand effectively. Take your time here to ensure everything looks just right. Finally, once you're satisfied with your email design, don't forget to click on Save and Exit. This step ensures all your hard work is stored securely, and you can exit the email designer once it's saved. And there you have it. You've just created an email using the ActiveCampaign email designer. With these steps, you can go back and create as many unique emails as you like, tailored to keep your audience engaged. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.